And today I found a new game which is called Cooking Mama Mama Kills Animals. So I decided to play it. So let's see how to do this. All right. Oh, this is not weird at all, girls. All right. So it says using your mouse, click the hand inside the turkey. Remove the organs and place them in a mixing bowl. In the US, almost all birds have their throats slit while they're sitting conscious. And according to the US Department of Agriculture, millions are scalded to death in tanks of hot water. Aww. Oh my gosh. Okay, I can't watch this. I'm sorry, Mr. Barack Obama. Crack the eggs. Use your mouse to pick up the eggs, crack them, and deposit them in a bowl. What's wrong? What? Mix the ingredients. Click on the ingredients when it's time to add the bowl, and then click the mouse in the circular motion to stir. Oh my god, this is so hard. Grab the stuffing by clicking in the mouse and then drag it over the turkey and release it. Be careful, do not use too much. What is that? Too nice. Follow the guide arrows and screen and use the mouse to saw back and forth to remove the head. Turn on the oven by pressing the on button and turn it off when the temperature reaches to orange. Ooh. Turkeys are drugged and bred to grow so quickly that their legs cannot support their weight. Countless birds slowly starve to death within inches of food after they become crippled and are unable to move. Okay. The gravy. Okay. Follow the guide arrows in the screen and use your mouse to saw back and forth to cut the neck into 3 parts. This is so Cookie Mama, how could you do this? Sort the body parts. Turn on the oven burner and use the mouse to click on the ingredients and add it to the pan. Use the mouse to grab the handle of the pan and statue by holding the pan and moving your mouse back and forth. This is real hard. Oh. Come on, come on, come on. Pupuru. Oh my god. That looks disgusting. Every year in the U.S., 300 million turkeys are killed for their flesh. Almost all spent their entire lives factory farms and have no fertile legal protections. Oh, okay. That's enough for me today. So, I hope you guys, oh my god. My hair, it's just, I literally just woke up, so I look like. Alright, so, I hope you guys enjoyed my video. I'll see you guys, maybe soon as possible, and make another video like this. If you liked the video, go ahead and check out my other video, which I did, which is called Can Your Pet? It was completely scary. Alright, so bye guys, love you, peace, bye.